Welcome to Brainstorm Bunch! Imagine a place in space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. Welcome to the world of black holes. Today, we're going to dive into one of the biggest mysteries in the universe: what exactly happens inside a black hole? What is a black hole? A black hole forms when a massive star runs out of fuel and collapses in on itself. This creates a point in space where gravity pulls so strongly that everything around it is sucked in, and once something crosses a certain line, called the event horizon, it can't come back. It's like a one-way street, where even light can't escape. Think of the event horizon like the edge of a waterfall. If you get too close, the current pulls you in, and there's no going back. But what happens if you fall into a black hole? What happens if you fall in? As you get closer to the black hole, the gravity would start to stretch you out. This process has a cool name. Scientists call it spaghettification. Your body would literally get pulled into a long, thin shape like a piece of spaghetti. But here's the wild part: no one really knows what happens once you actually cross the event horizon. It's like stepping into the unknown. Scientists have theories. Some think you could get crushed by the extreme gravity, while others think you might enter another dimension. The singularity. At the very center of the black hole is something called the singularity. This is where all the matter that falls into the black hole gets squeezed into a tiny point. The laws of physics as we know them break down here, and it's a complete mystery what's going on inside. Why black holes are important. Even though black holes seem like terrifying space monsters, they actually help shape galaxies. Some scientists even think that without black holes, our universe would look very different. So, while black holes are still a huge mystery, they're one of the most fascinating parts of our universe. They're like cosmic puzzle pieces waiting to be solved. Who knows? Maybe one day, you could help us unlock the secrets of what really happens inside a black hole. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into our planet's history. Thank you for watching.